Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic names in the dirt bike world, the new 2026 Yamaha YZ 250. For decades, the YZ 250 has defined pure two-stroke power and race-winning agility, making it a legend among motocross enthusiasts. The 2026 model builds on that legacy with updated design, refined handling, and improved durability, keeping the spirit of competition alive and stronger than ever. Let's take a closer look at what's new in this off-road beast. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 250 maintains its aggressive motocross identity with sharp, race-focused styling. The new bodywork is slimmer and more aerodynamic, allowing riders to move freely during intense track battles. Yamaha's signature blue livery with updated graphics gives it a fresh, modern look, while the lightweight aluminum frame ensures excellent rigidity and balance. Everything about its design screams speed and control. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the YZ 250 is its legendary 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine, known for explosive acceleration and razor-sharp throttle response. For 2026, Yamaha has optimized the intake and exhaust systems for smoother power delivery and better mid-range performance. The close-ratio 5-speed gearbox and finely tuned suspension system, featuring KYB components, deliver unmatched handling and stability over jumps, corners, and whoops. It's a perfect blend of raw power and precision engineering. Safety and technology. While staying true to its classic simplicity, the 2026 YZ 250 gets subtle modern touches for enhanced rider confidence. The braking setup features high-performance discs with improved heat resistance, while the adjustable suspension allows riders to fine-tune settings based on terrain. The lightweight design improves maneuverability, reducing rider fatigue during long sessions. Yamaha's focus on balance and control ensures both performance and safety remain at their peak. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 250 continues to reign as the ultimate two-stroke motocross machine, fast, agile, and built for those who live for the thrill of dirt racing. It's not just a bike, it's a legacy that evolves with every generation. Whether you're hitting the track or carving up the trails, the YZ 250 delivers that unmistakable Yamaha adrenaline rush. Stay tuned to Highway Legends for more updates and deep dives into the most exciting rides of the year.